If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Lyft, follow these simple steps to ensure it is done correctly. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Go to your ride history. Tap on the menu icon or your profile picture in the top left corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Ride History to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Scroll through your ride history to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending, indicating that it has not yet been completed. Step 4. Select the transaction. Tap on the pending transaction to open its details. This will provide you with more information about the ride and the cancellation options available. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Look for the option to cancel the ride or transaction. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You should receive a notification confirming that the transaction has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transaction on Lyft before it completes. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft's customer support for further assistance.